So first I'm gonna boil my macaroni. Now I added some water, added maybe about a cup of macaroni. Now you can add more or less depending on the amount that you're making. I also added some salt to taste. Now I'm gonna cook it according to the time on the package, and also I like mine to be, not fully cooked. Like it's cooked, but it's not very soft. So at this point my macaroni has the texture that I desire, so I'm gonna put out the flame and drain all of that liquid. However, I will not rinse my macaroni. Okay guys, so after working on my macaroni, I'm gonna fry up my corned beef. Now I prepared all my seasonings off camera. Now I have some onion, I have two types of sweet peppers, I have some orange and green, I have scallion, I have scotch bonnet pepper. No, I didn't use any garlic because I don't like garlic in my corned beef. But guys, if you don't love garlic or any other seasoning that you like, if you want some tomatoes, any other seasoning, alright? Now I am using the yellow onion. Now if you like the red onion, you can also use this for this recipe as well. Alright, so I'm gonna saute my seasoning just to get out all of that flavor. And for this recipe, I'm not using vegetable oil, I'm using some corn oil. Now I sauteed my seasoning for maybe about 2 minutes on like a low flame. Now I added my corned beef. Now I like to kind of break my corned beef before I add it into the pot, because I don't like to add the whole corned beef into the oil. Alright, so I'm continuously breaking it because I don't want it to be in this big chunk. Alright, I like my corned beef to be nicely mashed out. That's how I like it. Alright, so if you like it this way, then you could leave it, but I'll continue to crush mine until it reaches my desire. Alright, so saute your corned beef, even though your corned beef cooked, guys, but you still need it to have that flavor from all of that fry up seasoning. So I'm gonna fry up my corned beef for in total 5 minutes. So when I added the seasoning and then I added the corned beef, so in total about 5 minutes. I'm also gonna add some black pepper. Now if you want to use more oil, you can use it, guys, but for me, we don't need so much oil to fry up like a corned beef. Alright, now after I fry up my corned beef to this stage, I am going to add some black pepper. Now the black pepper is completely optional because remember I added some hot pepper already, but I love to add black pepper to my corned beef, so may I go ahead and add some. If you want to add anything else to your corned beef, go ahead, guys, but just doing my corned beef like this tastes good to me, so that's just how I like it. Alright, so I'm gonna add my macaroni. Now I didn't add all the macaroni because I realized that I added too much into the pot, and I don't like my corned beef to have too much macaroni unless I don't like when it has too much macaroni and less corned beef. I love when it has a balance. Alright, so I added most of the macaroni that I added into the pot to boil, but maybe I left maybe about 3 tablespoons that I did not add. Alright, so if you want to have more macaroni, you can, but because I'm gonna have mine with some rice and too much starch, yeah. So I like to add a little black pepper to my macaroni. I don't know, you just give it that. I don't know, that's just me, guys. Like, I don't have any reason to add it, but I just feel to add it, so why not? Okay, my kitchen, my rules. Alright, so I'm gonna fry it up for maybe about 1 more minute, and then my macaroni and corned beef is all done.